Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. I have got a fun new video. I have recently signed back up for my Ipsy, and here's my first Ipsy bag. It just came in the mail. I wasn't planning on filming today. I apologize, my hair is wet, but it's kind of bugging me, so it's just clipped on top of my head. But I just wanted to open this on camera like I used to do. For years I did my Ipsy unbaggings, so let's do it. It's been months. It's been months. The little mailer is pretty. I have an Etsy store. I will list it down below. I always have it listed down below if you want to go over and check it out. It's Finding My Tiara Design. I sell vintage jewelry, rhinestone jewelry, because I make mainly ornaments, but other things out of vintage rhinestone jewelry. But the good pieces I sell individually. I don't tear apart and craft with them. But anyway, I might repurpose this. I'm all about repurposing, recycling. That's why I use old broken rhinestone jewelry to make my stuff. So anyway, all that just to say, I think I'll hang on to this mailer and I will reuse it because it's in great shape. I can do that. So yeah, win-win, win-win. Okay, now before, when I got Ipsy, I always loved the Halloween bags, and that's what we've got. It's a Glamoween season. Here we go. It's been, like I said, years. And so October 2023, grab your makeup brushes and enter. Oh, it's some sort of contest. Anyway, I don't think I'll be entering. Oh, I have seen spoilers. I've seen people. Look how what I've seen on video. Let me get it out, Patricia. Get the words out. What I've seen on video hasn't done this bag justice. Can you see, by me moving it around like that, just how luxurious it feels? Like velvet. It's not velvet, maybe velveteen or something like that. It is really nice. Now I don't need another makeup bag, but this is nice. And there's a little bat on there, but I like that. Okay, let's open it up and see what I got. I didn't get to pick anything because I just, whoops, stuff falling out. On a whim, just purchased Etsy again. I just like, yeah, I'm gonna do that. So there's the bag. It's just really, it is shining so pretty. All right, what have I got? I got something wrapped up in a little bit of bubble wrap. I will hang on to that too because I reuse my bubble wrap and things like that. I can put earrings or something down in that. We'll hang on to that. So I got Luna Magic highlighting powder in Tulum. That's someplace that's been on my bucket list, is to go to Tulum. There we go. My mother-in-law has been to Tulum, but I haven't. That's a pretty shade. I hope you can see that. That's really pretty. There is no, a lot of my highlighters have like a pink base to them. I have cool skin. I have a lot of red, pink in my skin. But that's really pretty. I don't have a lot with without the cool undertone. What I'm trying to say. I don't think I have any other shades that match that. So, nice. Luna Magic. I have never heard of that brand. I have to decide. One of the reasons I got the bag was to add stuff to my sample stash to choose from. I'll have to decide what I'm going to put in my sample stash and what I'm going to go ahead and use. Now here's a little Ace Beauté setting powder. I just ran out of the setting powder I've been using. So I've been using my expensive setting powder, which is Givenchy. So here it is, the little Ace Beauté. This is in medium. like that. I'm sure it's closed up, yeah. There we go. Like I said, I gotta decide, do I want to put this in samples or do I want to just go ahead and use it? Next, I've got Avant Collagen Lecithin. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the next word or the next. Niacinamide hyaluronic acid serum. Can you see that? Let's see. I hope that's focusing in for you. Collagen Intense Radiant Activator Serum. I saw someone unbox this and look up pricing. This size of tube is $45. This is expensive. If you're on another planet or if you haven't purchased at Ipsy in a long time, the bag is $13, but not really. By the time I pay handling and tax, my bag is $16. So, yeah. But I think I'll just go ahead and add this to my sample stash because I have plenty of skincare already out. And I'm not going to open that up. Next, I've got the Levito Alert Eye Cream. I've never heard of that brand. Let's see if we can get you zoomed in there. Okay. As you know, well, I don't know how many of my videos you guys have watched. I'm doing a Project Pan with an eye cream, which was a mistake to begin with, neither here or there. I'm not going to finish that eye cream by the end of my Project Pan. So that's what I'm focusing on. I'm going to put this in my samples. If I pull these things, I will definitely use them. But we'll just keep them in my sample stash till that day. Rodale. I've heard of this brand. Vit C Brightening. It's a cleanser. It's a vitamin C cleanser. Oh, come on. Give us a little. There we go. Maybe. I'm going to throw this into my sample stash as well. Gently massage onto damp skin, avoiding the delicate eye area. And then rinse off. Okay. So, let's recap. Vitamin C cleanser, brightening cleanser. This Avant serum. The Levito eye cream. All three going into sample stash. I think I'm going to go ahead and put my highlighter in the sample stash and the powder. I'm going to just go ahead and stick it in the sample stash. So there we go. That is my first Ipsy bag in quite a while. If you want, I'll put a link down below where you can get the Glam bag. This is just the basic. I have no plans to get the BoxyCharm. I used to do all of that, as you know, some of you know, a long time ago, and I just got too much stuff. And I just used up stuff, and now I'm getting a little more manageable amount of stuff. That makes sense. And so I'm not ready to do a BoxyCharm yet, but the Ipsy Glam bag, yeah, I think I'm glad I signed back up for that. So guys, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Those thumbs ups, the thumbs up really helps me, helps my channel, helps my algorithm. It does more for me than anything. So I would appreciate those thumbs ups. That just sounds funny. Thumbs ups. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And if you are new here, I would really love it if you would subscribe. It means a lot to me. I like making new friends. I've got some new friends. My subscriber count's going up and I'm very excited. I like to make friends. I answer every comment. I might not get it right away. Sometimes it's taking me a few days, but I am answering every comment. So guys, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.